Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Philips Fidelio FB1 or FB10 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this soundbar is not connecting to Bluetooth or if it's not syncing with your device, if it keeps disconnecting, if you're having any kind of issues like that where it's not working properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. And you've tried just turning it off and on and it didn't fix it. Now, you are going to have to set it up again because this is going to wipe everything off of it. But that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this or buying a used one or setting it up in a new room or just whatever reason where you want to get a fresh start, we can just go ahead and reset everything really simply. All we need to do is make sure our soundbar is turned on. And then we're going to come in on the top and we're going to find the volume up and volume down buttons. And we're going to press and hold them simultaneously for 8 seconds. After we hold that for 8 seconds, we'll see it shows up with reset on the screen. The reset will show up for about 5 seconds, at which point reset will go away and it will show up on here, reboot, and the soundbar will reboot into its factory default settings.